To write about a product, or indeed specify a product ethically, you first need to understand the manufacturing process, which is why I'm here in Wolverhampton at the Perrin Rowe factory. The brand under House of Rohl is about to launch its first ever REBA-approved CPD course, where designers and architects will get a hands-on, step-by-step understanding of how each component and the products are made. Hotel Designs has been given exclusive access inside the factory doors, as well as an understanding of what the designers and architects will learn on the course. I hear the team are waiting for me inside, so let's catch up with them. It's quite incredible seeing a brass ingot go from a raw material into what is starting to look like a physical product in literally a matter of seconds. The cooling process is almost instant. Blink and you'll miss it. The effortless movement and motion has become ingrained in the minds of the skilled casters here inside Perrin Rowe's Wolverhampton factory. What happens in the foundry is naturally very impressive, but for me it's areas like this that really set brands like Perrin Rowe aside. These offcuts will now be melted down and put back into the manufacturing process, and that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to understanding Perrin Rowe's approach to sustainability and ethical manufacturing.
There's a programme to recycle and reuse swarf and oil, and a partnership with Severn Trent to process and safely discharge water. It's not even just the components that are made here either. Wherever possible, the team create their own tools and cast iron moulds. The manufacturing process is, excuse the pun, a well-oiled machine, and the team here are just extremely skilled in their craft. Speaking with the polishing team, for example, I was amazed at just how much experience and knowledge there was among the 32-strong team. But it's also the intricate attention to detail that ensures that each product is made with the highest possible standards. Spending time here has been really heartwarming to see the passion the team have and the pride they take in their roles. The team feel like a family, and that's because in many cases they are. There are brothers working with sisters, nieces and nephews, all working together under one roof.
And the final part of the process here in Wolverhampton is that the products will be put into pallets and now taken back to the Rainham factory for final assembly. There's so much to soak in here in the Wolverhampton factory, and I guess you kind of really have to be here in order to experience and really understand how these products and components are put together. Which makes total sense as to why Perrin Rowe and House of Rohl have launched this REBA-approved CPD course. Now I wonder, if I just huddle myself in here, whether they'll take me home on the way back to Rainham.